Hi! Today I'll show you how to crochet this adorable baby hat. It's quick, easy and perfect for beginners. You need crochet hook 5mm, scissors, yarn needle and measuring tape. This is medium weight yarn. Let's begin the hat. I'll make a slip knot, then chain 4. And I'll join to form a circle. Chain 2, yarn over, 12 double crochets in this circle, I'll close the round by making slip stitch to the first double crochet, and all stitches are 12. Chain 2 for the round 2, yarn over, and I'll increase. I'll work 2 double crochets in every stitch. The round 2 is complete, and I'll join with slip stitch to the first double crochet to close the round, and all stitches are 24 double crochets. Round 3, chain 2, yarn over, and I continue to increase by making 2 double crochets in every odd stitch. Yarn over and 1 double crochet in every even stitch. And I'll continue 2 double crochets in the next stitch, then 1 double crochet in the following stitch, 2 double crochets, and 1 double crochet. 2 double crochets in the last stitch, and I'll join to close the round, so make slip stitch to the first double crochet, and I have 3 rounds complete. For the round 4, chain 2, yarn over, 1 front post double crochet around the first stitch. Now 1 half double crochet into the back loop of the next stitch. Yarn over, 1 front post double crochet, yarn over, 1 half double crochet into the back loop of the next stitch, yarn over, 1 front post double crochet. So I continue to repeat these 2 stitches until I finish round 4. Slip stitch to the first front post double crochet. Next round, chain 2. I repeat the previous round, so I repeat round 4. 1 front post double crochet around every front post double crochet and 1 half double crochet into the back loop of each half double crochet from the previous round. So 1 front post double crochet around the first front post double crochet, yarn over, 1 half double crochet into the back loop, yarn over, 1 front post double crochet, one half double crochet into the back loop, then 1 front post double crochet, and I'll continue. My round is complete, and I'll join with slip stitch to the first front post double crochet. The next round will be round 6, chain 1. I will work 1 single crochet in every stitch, but only on the back loop. Then I will join with slip stitch to the first single crochet. Next round will be round 7, chain 1, and I will repeat round 6, 1 single crochet in every stitch, but I will work only on the back loop. and I'll join to close the round. I have 7 rounds ready. Next round chain 2. This will be round 8. I'll make double crochet in every stitch. I have 36 double crochets, and I'll finish the round by making slip stitch to the first double crochet. I have 8 rounds ready. Round 9 chain 2. I repeat round 4. 1 front post double crochet, then 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, but on the back loop. One front post double crochet and 1 half double crochet in the back loop. My round 9 is complete. Round 10 will be the same, chain 2. 1 front post double crochet around each front post double crochet from round 9 and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch but made on the back loop. So 1 front post double crochet around the first stitch and 1 half double crochet in the back loop in the next stitch and repeat. I will repeat the previous round, chain 2, 1 front post double crochet around the first stitch and 1 half double crochet in the next stitch but only on the back loop, and 1 front post double crochet then 1 half double crochet in the back loop. I repeat these 2 stitches until I finish the round. One front pass double crochet around the last stitch, then I'll join with slip stitch. Next round, chain 1, and I'll work 1 single crochet in every stitch, but only on the back loop of the stitches. Join with slip stitch to the first single crochet. Last round will be the same, chain 1 and 1 single crochet in every stitch, but only on the back loop of the stitch. Thanks so much for crocheting with me today. I hope your baby hat turned out just the way you wanted. Until next time, take care and keep crocheting.